Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your payments method and specifically uh, PayPal from your TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically there are two types. Either you are using your TikTok Business Center in case you have a TikTok business account or from your personal account after with purchases etc. And basically, to remove your payments method, you will be needing to go first to your profile, and then you will need to access the settings on your account. And basically, these features really depends on your locations. Some locations won't have payments, some locations will have depends on your location and the TikTok version that you are using. And basically, if we go to the TikTok and then we go to the profiles, then you will need just to go to access the settings. So here from settings, you will be able to find in the manage account or just the settings, you will find payments. And after having payments or payments methods, you will need just to select manage payments, or you will need just to choose the debit card that you want to remove. And simply, you will need just to select this. And when you click on it, you will need to find delete or remove in the bottom of the page or the detail page of this debit card. Otherwise, if you are using the Business Center, you can just simply go to the Ads Manager. So as you can see from your Ads Manager, you will find payments, and from there, you will find the payments method. Otherwise, if you want to manage your payments method, you can just click on any manage or any payments method, and basically you can delete it after that, and by that you will be able to uh, delete or remove any payments method, including PayPal. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.